Head over to collab.imago.us and click on the Sign Up button to get started. You'll have the option to either fill in your details manually or sign up instantly using your Google account for a quicker registration process. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the platform and start collaborating with your team. If you already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button to access your workspace. You can log in quickly using your Google or Microsoft account, making the process fast and hassle-free. Alternatively, you can choose the Single Sign-On (SSO) option, which allows you to log in securely by scanning a QR code with your preferred device. Perfect for seamless access across platforms.